Hi there kids, today's topic is about initial consonant blends, SM words. Let's get started. Letter S sounds S. Letter M sounds but together they sound sm, sm. Smile, smile. Smell, smell. Smoke, smoke. Smoothie, smoothie. Smart, smart. Small, small. Smash, smash. Smudge, smudge. Smog, smog. Smack, smack. Smear, smear. Smuggler, smuggler. Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.